Hi guys, so today I would like to recap my trading between 15 to 8, the 18th of March, which I expected MATIC to break out, but it didn't happen, and the volume is just depleted, and I bought it at 40 cents, sold it at 41 cents. It went up to 43 though, but I was expecting to keep on going, but it didn't, so I cut losses. I still got $51 profit on this. Then yesterday I also bought, this is my third trade with ENJ. I bought at $2.41.5. I sold it at 269 and 272, because I was expecting it can go to 279. It went to 279. Yeah, but I didn't sell it to 279. I don't know why. Maybe I felt comfortable here, but then if this gonna go bullish again and there is more big volume, it can reach up to $3.03 based on my Fibonacci calculation. But today there was not enough volume. It needs some whale to come in and pumping in, and the reason MATIC didn't break out was actually didn't move much because there's too many circulating supply. It's 49% out there, while ENJ it's only 6% circulating supply of the coin. So the more rare the coin is, the more it can move faster, like impulse move like this. Anyway, I've made total with ENJ. I made total 166 from $2.15 to here. 166 plus 51, that's yeah, about 200 and something. And then my next target would be audio. I'm really interested on this audio. I've traded a couple of times. I've got 104 profits and $3 loss. So what it is basically, I haven't researched a bit more, but when it's pulled back, I'm going to research a bit more. And it has a history of, see that, breaking out, and pulling back. Pulling back is the right time to buy, breaking out. And this is really interesting, and it's very bullish at the moment. Yeah, when it's pulling back, it probably is a good time. It's just have to pay attention of the, to get the lowest RSI and the lowest MACD as possible. Also, oh yeah, I sold OMG as well. I sold it too early. I didn't realize that this is actually a bullish rectangle. This pattern from bottom to top, and then make a couple of triple top or triple top. And this is a consolidation. I sold during consolidation, and guess what? It goes up. Just like this. This is actually a, see that? This is bullish rectangle here. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Also, BAT. I'm interested to look more into this. This has a potential of, it's very bullish as well, but now it's just getting way too much, waiting for it to pull back, and there's a lot of volume. BAT is, I bet it's under a lot of people's radar. And yeah, that's it for my next trading plan and my trading recap for today.